And so here we have our front door adapter. We've got one for left and right. They're identical for this vehicle. On the back here we have an outline for you to put some foam tape, and this will seal it against the door so you don't have any air leaks back here. And then you also put the foam tape up here or on the speaker to seal this gap here. And then lastly we'll have the foam that goes on top of the speaker, and this will seal between the actual woofer kind of cone and the door itself. And so these are going to be for our front. We have these here for the rear, and we have a left and a right. Since they are specific in each door, they are, inverted. And same thing with those. You'll put the foam tape there, and then we'll have foam rings provided for these as well. And then for all of these adapters, we have these slots on the front here, and these will be for the plug-and-play adapters. So you can just plug your speaker in here. We provided very standard terminals to connect here. There are some speakers that'll have kind of push connectors or different types than this. So it's all plug and play. The only thing that'll change per speakers is how you connect them here. All right, and for these adapters here, we have all the different slots. These are to fit different mounting patterns for the speakers. So it'll come with 6 of these per adapter, and these just slide right into place wherever you need to put them. Just like that. And then your bolt will go through the top, and they adjust back and forth to fit different mounting lengths or diameters. And it'll work for ones like this where you have 6 mounting holes, and then for other ones like this where you have your standard 4. Alright, so we've got our rear door woofer here. So this is our plate mounted in place. These are all factory mounting points. We've got the speaker in, and we've got our foam ring around the edge here. This is our plug and play harness. And so this is the factory plug. This is the slot for our harness. And it just plugs right in like that. Alright, so this is our front woofer here. We've got our front ring here, the baffle to mount it against the grill and seal that up. We've got our adapter in here using the factory mounting locations. And then of course the plug and play connector. And so this is the factory speaker connector, and that just goes straight in here. And then we'll show you the tweeter next up top.